Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix endpoint protection with Sophos step by step clearly. To begin fixing endpoint protection with Sophos, first ensure you have administrative privileges on the device. Locate the Sophos endpoint protection icon on your taskbar. Right-click on the icon and select Open Endpoint Protection. Within the Sophos interface, navigate to the Help section. Choose the option labeled Repair. Confirm that you want to start the repair process when prompted. Wait for the repair process to complete. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the repair finishes, restart your computer. After rebooting, open the Sophos Endpoint Protection application again. Check for any updates by navigating to the Updates section. If updates are available, follow the prompts to download and install them. Once updates are installed, run a full system scan to ensure everything is functioning properly. After the scan completes, review the results for any detected threats or issues. If anything is found, follow the recommendations provided by the software. If issues persist, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the software. To uninstall, go to Control Panel. Select Programs and then uninstall a program. Find Sophos Endpoint Protection in the list and click Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation. After uninstalling, download the latest version from the Sophos website. Install the software by following the installation prompts. Once installed, configure the settings as desired. Finally, run another full system scan to confirm that the issue has been resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.